DIY electric skateboard.
So Corey, what do you have for us today?
A skateboard. This ain't no regular skateboard, it's an electric skateboard.
What is an electric skateboard?
They do that.
So what is this right here?
That is your ESC. And it handles all this.
What amperage is it? What's the amp rating?
I don't know what the amp rating is. Might
Pretty
be
large.
10.
It's probably not 10, it's probably...
Might be 120.
Yeah. And then these batteries, what kind of batteries are they?
They are Carnegie batteries. You can't see what the branding is because they're flipped over.
But you can see the Carnegie, whatever, the...
It's Carnegie
genuine
blue.
Carnegie.
It's Carnegie blue. That's how you know. M-board, 70mm, hub-powered trucks. I don't even remember what the voltage is. 18.6 volts.
So they're in series. So that means the voltages add up. So you have a 10-cell battery essentially with, what'd you say the capacity was?
5,000 milliamps.
5,000 milliamps. So 5 amp hours at 10S. It's pretty powerful. And then what kind of board do you have?
So this is an Amazon deck. Pretty much
Amazon
that
deck.
says a cruiser deck. So it's pretty small. Here's my hand for scale. I have a small hand, a little bit bigger than Donald Trump's.
This is my hand for scale.
Your hand is not that big.
And then, how is this all mounted together?
With a
I
bunch
heard
of
you
hardware,
did
skate hardware.
some really technical electrical taping.
Oh yeah, there's some electrical taping for the waterproofness. I don't know if it's waterproof or not. I've never tested it and I never want to. That's about it. This battery indicator over here does not work.
Oh,
So you gotta hold a voltage indicator on you pretty much anytime you're skating on this thing.
And then did you paint this board too?
Yes, I painted it orange.
Spray paint or
Spray
hand
paint.
Spray paint, that's pretty cool. It's pretty
orange,
technologically
man.
advanced. And what's the range on this that you've seen so far?
I've done 9.5 miles and not gone through half charge yet. So I'm gonna assume it's around 15 to 18. I've never done 15 to 18, so I can't say.
Cool. And have you ever fallen off or maybe hurt your ankle on this before?
Yes.
What am
I hit a
looking at?
bump.
I'm looking at your ankles.
I hit a bump no bigger than this.
Want to recreate it for us?
I said, oh, landed up like that on my ankle.
So Corey, what's the top speed of this skateboard?
Oh no, I've never hit it. Probably 22 miles an hour.
How fast have you gone?
I've gone 16 miles an hour on it on the W&OD, which is the smoothest trail around here. And I don't want to go faster because I don't want to bust up my ankle again.
Then what kind of controller is this?
I don't know. Came with the ESC. It's Chinese.
The links will be in the description. So, what was the overall price? The total price of this?
I'd say all in all, including the helmet, about $500.
Cool.
The
So
batteries were like 110.
The links to build this will be in the description. If you want to be like Corey and hurt your ankle.
Prices may vary.
Or go 16 miles an hour or higher. That'll be there. And it's also an RC car with no steering.
Yes. You flip it back over. You can have some good fun.
Yes.
Holding down full throttle while you burn out your ESC. These cracks aren't bad. Might be no, maybe.
Off-road? Through the puddle?
No, I don't think this thing's waterproof.
It's very smooth.